Okay, so I'm underneath the 2005 Nissan Sentra. I just removed the oil pan, the exhaust, the motor mount bracket, and I'm looking up. I can see the crankshaft. Okay, we got cylinder 1, 2, 3, and the one back there is 4. These are the connecting rod bearings. He's nice and tight. This engine had a hard knock, and there it is. That's your problem. I tested the other ones. Let me turn the engine real quick with my wrench. Bring the other two down. Okay. So there's a number 1 cylinder. Nothing there. Number 4 cylinder. Nothing. So the problem is that number 2 cylinder rod bearings are worn, causing a serious knock. That's it.